Hi, I'm Dee. I'm the brown girl behind Brown Girls Trade Too. Welcome to my channel. My channel deals with my investments, my day trading, and my expat life. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about investing. There's people that will say they don't know how to invest. You're actually an investor now. It just depends on what side of the investment you're on. Are you the consumer or are you the owner of those investments? I say that you need to be the owner of those investments. I'll give you an example. I can walk through any one of your homes and find any number of Procter & Gamble products, any number of Johnson & Johnson products. You might be wearing Nikes right now. You might be watching this on an Apple iPhone or an Apple iMac or whatever, right? Those companies, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Apple, Home Depot, Nike, all of those companies are companies that you should own. I would own, let's say that. So the reason I'm saying this is if you use the products, you should at least own the company so that they send you back some of the gains that they make from growing that company, right? Send you dividends. Dividends are wonderful. They're wonderful because you buy something one time, right? And they continue to pay you over time as long as you hold that asset, right? So people rag me. I'm actually doing this. I actually have a Android phone. People rag me all the time because they, why don't you have an Apple? Well, listen, you leave me and my Android alone, and you just keep buying all those Apple products so that they can send me dividends. Thank you very much. To help your children or your family get into it as well. So I mentioned children because, you know, kids watch what we do, not just what we say, right? And you would want your kid to do better than you're doing, right? Just like your parents wanted you to do better than them. If your kid is coming to you every couple months and saying, buy me some $150, $200, $300 Nikes, you better have given them some Nike stock by now. It doesn't make sense to give that company that kind of money and not receive some of the growth that you're creating for that company, right? And it helps your children not just have a consumer mindset. They shouldn't just want an Apple phone and not be able to benefit from the growth of Apple, the company. If your kids are running around here eating snacks, any of the toes, Cheetos, Doritos, Fritos, all of those companies are PepsiCo, right? PepsiCo is not just Pepsi the drink. They own quite a lot of lines of products. If you eat Quaker Oats oatmeal, that's PepsiCo, right? So again, these are examples where you're using the products. Own the company as well. Use the products and own the company. That's all I'm asking. You can do that.